I've had some trouble recently with my bandsaw cutting straight, and I decided to upgrade the cool sticks that guide the blade with some ball bearings. So I found a company online that sells a kit that you can replace these cool sticks with these ball bearings. So I'm going to install them now. One thing we'll do is take the cover off so we can get access to the lower area. We'll take this guard off right here first so we can get access to it. I think I might have to take his blade off first. So let me do that. Not quite sure how this unit slides out, whether it's just friction fit in there or what. Let me get a hammer and tap on it and see if it'll just slide out. Looks like a piece of spring steel back here. I think that's just to hold tension in there to make it snug. They both look identical. I may need to move this bearing in the back out of the way first. Let me get a different wrench. Thought it was supposed to go this way, but this one was in there like that. Maybe it is supposed to go this way. It'll be a little lower, but it won't quite go under this piece here like that. And the other one looks identical. So I guess we'll have to put it on there like this. Leave that loose till we get the blade on there. Put this bearing back in. I wonder if it's going clear. Alright, we got to put the adjuster in now so we can get this lined up. We'll do the same for the bottom. Okay, we got the adjuster, top and bottom adjuster put back in. So now we need to line this up and adjust them. Trying to adjust that back so it's right behind the teeth on the blade. Alright, I got some of that junk moved off the table here, and we got these screws loosened on these bearings, and I'm going to bump the saw on. Let the blade kind of seat where it's going to go, and then we'll do the final adjustments. Now we can adjust these. Well, let's see how that's going to run now. Need to do a little bit more adjusting here. It looks pretty decent. Let me try a cutting piece. I guess it'll be alright. Looks pretty straight. Looked like a pretty straight cut there, so I think that's going to do the trick. Thank y'all for watching.